to all of you, download the video because it will not be there after around 3 weeks. After 20 days, it will not be there. So all of you download that video and save in your system. Okay, so if any of you have any question, you can ask. Okay, then let me start today's class. So for stress at any point C, for the traction vector, we know that it is function of that location of that point and the surface which is considered, and the normal to the surface is denoting which surface we are considering. Therefore, this T is function of x and n. Now, yesterday we saw that we can write all the stress component in this second order tensor form, or you can say, in for the time being, you can think it equivalent to a matrix. Now you can notice here, this I did not mention, so there are two tilde. So whenever there will be two tilde, then it is a tensor. So this is a second order tensor in 2D. Now here you can see we can get the traction vector from this relation T equal to tau transpose that normal. So when the normal is E1, we get the traction component tau xx, tau xy, which is on plane E1. Similarly, for the plane whose normal is E2, we get the traction component with this relation T equal to tau transpose E2. Now, so these are specific plane whose normal is in either x direction or in y direction. Now, for any arbitrary surface, for example EE, whose normal is in any arbitrary direction. Yeah, please mute your. Whose traction is, whose normal is in arbitrary direction, that is nx, the normal component is nx and ny. Then we can write the normal in vector form like nx, ny. Then on that plane EE, we can get the traction component using tau transpose that normal n. And if you do matrix vector multiplication, then the x component of this traction is tau xx nx plus tau yx ny, and y component is second row first column, so tau xy nx plus tau yy ny. So this T equal to tau transpose n, this is your general formula for getting traction vector on a surface whose normal is n. Now, from balance of angular momentum, it can be shown that tau xy is equal to tau yx if there is no body couple. Now, what is this body couple? Now, you know body force, that is at every point, if there is some force, then that is called body force. For example, your gravitational force. Similarly, if there is some moment at every point, then that is body couple. Generally, it is not present in physical system, so we can assume there is no body couple. Under that assumption, it can be shown that tau xy equal to tau yx. The proof is not part of this course, so you just know this as a statement, and this can be proved from balance of angular momentum. Now, so what this tells essentially that stress tensor is symmetric, that is tau transpose equal to tau. So from balance of angular momentum we can say that. Then this relation T equal to tau transpose n we can write as T equal to tau n. It does not matter because
Sir, you're muted.
You're on mute.
so this is T equal to, then there will be T equal to tau n. Now this already we have explained yesterday. So that first index is which plane we are considering, that is the normal, and the second index is in which direction. Now if you consider then this is the state of stress, we can draw some pictorial representation like this. Now here this is in 2D. Now these planes, so there are total 4 planes. These are actually different planes at the location of C. So this is your positive x plane whose normal is in positive x direction. So although it is representing like a square, but it is actually all 4 planes are at point C. Now the meaning of this figure I will explain just after this sign convention. So let me first tell you the sign convention. So for a plane is positive when outward normal is in positive direction. So then one plane is called positive plane, and when outward normal is in negative direction, then the plane is called negative plane. Now if you see here this plane, so this plane is the cursor is visible. Can you see the cursor?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this plane whose normal is in positive direction, that is positive plane. So this is your positive plane and this is your positive y plane whose normal is in positive y direction. And this is your negative x plane and this is your negative y plane. Now, so how to define the sign of a stress component. So on positive plane, if your stress is in positive direction, then it is positive. Therefore, on this positive x plane, this is your positive tau xx because it is on positive plane on positive direction. So here all the stresses are shown in positive sense. So if you see here, this is tau xx. So this is in positive on positive x plane in positive x direction. Similarly, this is your tau xy. This is on positive x plane and on positive in positive y direction. Now on positive plane, if stresses are in negative direction, then then the stresses are negative. So here we have shown only the positive stresses. Now for negative plane, one stress is positive if it is in negative axis direction. So if you see this negative x plane, this is negative x plane because normal is in negative x direction. So on negative x plane, tau xx is positive in this direction. So on negative plane, stresses are positive in negative direction. So this is your positive.
Sir, someone muted you again.
सर आवाज नहीं आ रही.
Yes, I was just checking how it is got unmuted. Yeah. So my screen is now visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I hope that problem again will not happen. So here you can see, so all these are in positive sense. So this is on negative x plane in negative x direction. So this is your positive sign of stress. So and similarly this is your positive tau xy on this plane. The same explanation occur here also. So this is your positive y plane. So this is your positive tau yy, and in this direction you have positive tau xy. And as we know, tau yx equal to tau xy. So in that sense, you should be convinced that in this picture, all the stresses are shown in positive sense. If you have doubt, please ask. So this is the sign convention.
This part.
Yes. Yeah, if you have any of you have any doubt regarding this sign convention?
So the sign
what,
convention of stress is not clear.
which part is not clear?
So the sign convention of the stress.
Okay, not clear. So did you understand how we define positive plane and negative plane?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Who is asking? Yeah, Garvit. Yes. So you understood that now. So this is your positive x plane. This you understand? This is your positive x plane, and this is your negative x plane, right?
Yes, sir.
Now so what I am telling, on this picture all stresses are in positive sense. Okay, now you see on this positive x plane, as I told, how we define the sign of stress. So on positive plane, in positive direction. So on this positive plane, this is in positive x direction and this is in positive y direction, right? So these are positive stresses. Whereas on negative plane, that is on this plane, stresses are positive if it is in negative direction. So on this plane you can see tau xx is positive if it is in this direction. So on negative plane, negative direction, stresses are positive.
Yes, sir. Got it,
Similarly, on this plane, tau xy is positive if it is in negative y direction. So this is also positive sense and this is also positive sense as per this convention. Garvit?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Okay. And similarly, similar thing can be told for y plane. You can see on this is positive y plane. So these are positive axis direction. So these are positive stresses. And whereas on negative y plane, in negative direction, stresses are positive. So all the stress components shown in this figure are in positive sense. Anybody else? Everybody understood? This is very important because in 3D it will be just extension. So if you understand here, then in 3D it will be just extension of this concept. Any other question? Yeah, so Shravan Kumar Meena. So what is which part you want me to repeat? Shravan? You are not audible, Shravan?
So he says, I mean, he's writing his answer in the chat box. So he says he can't on his mic.
Okay. So did you understood? I again repeated that part, negative and positive sign. Did you follow that? I again. Okay, so yes, Shravan, you try to connect with some microphone. You try to connect on laptop. Otherwise, or somewhere where you can speak. Otherwise, it is very difficult to communicate. Did you understand? I explained again. Okay. Now you try to connect with some microphones where you can speak. Otherwise, it will be very difficult because we don't have much time. Okay. Now we will go in.
The access for microphone is disabled for most of the people. I don't know who did that.
Yes.
Someone wrote in the, yeah, sir.
Most of